Welcome to Best Pick.
The best wet and dry vacuum cleaner to keep your home spotless. Top 5.
Top 1.
Roborock F25 Ace Pro Foam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, Cordless Vacuum Mop, 25,000 PA Foam Spray Mop, 203 degrees Fahrenheit Self-Cleaning Hard Floor Cleaner Machine for Tile Hardwood Floor Gentle Cleaning, 180 degrees Lie Flat. Brand Roborock. About this item. Advanced foam cleaning system, fast, even coverage for tough everyday messes, generates rich, clinging foam that helps dissolve and lift stubborn stains on kitchen grease, bathroom residue, dining spills, and pet accidents. 3-step process, on-trigger foam prep, even spray, dirt breakdown, works to reduce smearing and boost cleaning efficiency. Lab tested for safe use on sealed floors, helps protect against surface damage and watermark free. Powerful suction and anti-tangle design, captures embedded dirt, helps prevent hair wrap, delivers 25,000 PA suction with downward pressure and rapid brush movement to pull out hidden dust and mixed wet and dry debris. Specialized roller design helps guide hair into the suction path. Lab tested to help reduce tangling and aid in picking up loose, dry pet hair, not wet clumps. Designed for homes with pets and long-haired users. Flat Reach 2.0 and triple side edge cleaning, reach further under and around furniture, 180 degrees full lay flat design, approximate 4.9 in tall, maintains suction while sliding under beds and sofas. 3-sided edge coverage, front, left, right, helps clean close to walls and corners for fewer missed spots. App remote control allows targeted cleaning without bending. Smart self-cleaning and dual temp drying, helps keep roller fresh between uses. High temperature rinse helps break down residue and tackle odors. Hot air drying flows through multiple outlets to help thoroughly dry the roller and internal parts. Sensor assisted cycles adjust cleaning intensity as needed. Available in a quick dry mode or a quieter low noise option for nighttime convenience. Effortless maneuvering and extended runtime, clean large areas on a single charge. Dynamic assist system adapts to your push-pull motion and enables smooth 70 degrees swivel turns for easy navigation around furniture. Grab and go upright pause mode, enabled via app, means no restart delays while lifting up and clean the narrow staircase. Large clean water tank and detachable wet-dry separation bin help reduce interruptions. Up to 60 minutes runtime in eco mode covers large spaces per charge. App lets you personalize detergent level/suction settings, schedule cleaning/drying, and receive maintenance reminders.
Top 2.
Shark HydroVac MessMaster Wet Dry Cord Vacuum Cleaner, 3-in-1 multi-surface vacuum mop and self-cleaning system, lightweight, powerful suction, for hard floors and area rugs, Navy, WD-161. Brand Shark. About this item. 3-in-1 cleaning, the Shark HydroVac MessMaster vacuums, mops, and cleans itself at the same time to deep clean hard floors and clean area rugs. Wet plus dry messes, the powerful suction and hydro mopping pulls in dirt and debris, wet messes, stains and grime to leave a streak-free, clean surface. Stain Boost mode delivers a 2x boost of cleaning solution compared to normal mode. Starts clean, stays clean. Continuous self-cleaning system helps prevent dirt from being redeposited back on your floor. Rinse cycle on dock, cleans the system of debris so the tool is always ready for its next use. Multi-surface cleaning, designed for all sealed hard floors including hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate. It also removes surface dirt and odors from area rugs. Reduces odors. The Shark HydroVac 12 ounces multi-surface concentrate with odor neutralizer technology instantly reduces and prevents odor from reforming on floors and area rugs. Perfect for pet owners. Easy cleanup. The debris filtration technology in the dirty water tank is designed to separate solids from liquids so you can quickly and easily empty the tank. Extra large clean tank. The intelligently designed system in the clean tank combines smart suction and flow control to maximize cleaning efficiency. LED display, seamlessly transition between modes with the touch of a button on the LED display that also indicates real-time battery life and tank levels.
Top 3.
BISSELL CrossWave HydroSteam Deluxe Wet Dry Vac, multi-purpose vacuum, wash, and steam, formula included, green, 3515G. Brand BISSELL. About this item. 3-in-1 HydroSteam, 20% stronger cleaning star. Vacuum, wash, and steam floors at once. HydroSteam technology combines water and steam to dissolve tough grease 20% faster than steam-only cleaners. Ideal for kitchen spills and pet messes. Based on internal testing versus steam-only cleaners on grease. Tangle-free brush roll stops hair wrap. Effortlessly prevents hair wrap and handles stubborn pet hair with our specialized brush roll design. Dual tank system for fresher cleaning. Separates clean water and dirty water to avoid reusing dirty water. Maintains powerful cleaning on all messes. One-touch self-cleaning. Press a button to clean the brush roll automatically. Zero manual effort. Multi-surface versatility. Clean wet and dry messes on tile, sealed wood, laminate, and more. Refresh area rugs with powerful steam.
Top 4.
Tineco Floor 1S9 Artist Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, 22 kPa suction, 360 degrees smooth drive, anti-tangle design, 185 degrees Fahrenheit flash dry, 75 minutes runtime, dual edge cleaning, 180 degrees lay flat. Brand Tineco. About this item. Elegant and aesthetic design, inspired by the aurora borealis, blending sky tones with vibrant aurora hues for a naturally beautiful home aesthetic. Unmatched 22 kPa suction power and 75 minutes runtime, deep cleans with industry-leading suction while offering extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. 180 degrees ultra-slim lay-flat design, compresses to just 5 inches, gliding effortlessly under beds, sofas, and low-clearance areas, ensuring no dust or hair is left behind. Flashdry self-cleaning system, using heated fresh water to effectively dissolve stains from the pipe to the brush roller, and then using 185 degrees Fahrenheit hot air to effectively dry every part of the machine. Truly worry-free after use. Dual block anti-tangle design, the dual layer scrapers prevent hair tangling and clogging by capturing hair with a comb scraper and wiping away dirty water and hair with a straight scraper.
Top 5.
DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, 185 degrees Fahrenheit hot water floor cleaning, cordless vacuum mop with GapFree AI robotic arm, 22 kPa suction, 0 hair tangle, 212 degrees Fahrenheit self-clean, 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying. Brand DREAME. About this item. Deep clean with 185 degrees Fahrenheit fresh hot water and 0 tangles. The fresh hot water floor cleaning system operates at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, heating the brush to 131 degrees Fahrenheit to provide deep and effective cleaning with heated water. It also has unique water outlets that allow for 360 degrees rinsing of the brush. The Tangle Cut Resilient Scraper also prevents tangles, ensuring an uninterrupted cleaning experience with no tangling for enhanced performance. Triple edge coverage for corner-to-corner cleaning. The AI-powered robotic arm features zero-gap technology, allowing its innovative scraper to clean front spaces seamlessly. Paired with a dual-edge brush system, it delivers enhanced triple-edge coverage, effectively reaching and tackling stubborn corners and edges. Auto-navigate to reach tricky areas. Powered by the self-motivated glide wheel power system, H15 Pro Heat is equipped with 180 degrees lie-flat auto cleaning, allowing the vacuum to be navigated hands-free for better cleaning of difficult areas. Controlled through the app, users can remotely maneuver the vacuum, cleaning even hard-to-reach areas. Soak away stains with high-powered suction and heated water. H15 Pro Heat utilizes 22,000 Pa suction to tackle ground-in dirt and heavy debris areas effortlessly, drawing out dirt from hidden corners. Hot water mode soaks away messes with an up to 20-minute runtime, while quiet mode cleans thoroughly without disturbance with a runtime of up to 72 minutes. Customize your clean with RGB enhancement. H15 Pro Heat's RGB detection system enhances cleaning by automatically adapting to different levels of grime, distributing a more thorough clean. In self-cleaning mode, the RGB detects the grime level of the brush and activates a high-temperature wash of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively removing dirt and improving performance while conserving effort. Experience faster cleanups with AI Smart Drying technology. Smart Self-Drying ensures quick and efficient moisture monitoring and removal. Its 5-minute, 194 degrees Fahrenheit quick dry option allows fast reuse, reducing the wait time to keep the brush ready for subsequent use.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.